Good morning, fellow Americans. Welcome to Clearview Cyclones. On this momentous semi-quincentennial, we should remember why our forefathers fought for the liberties we have today. They fought for a country where a new nation could choose their own laws, choose their own leaders, choose their own system of weights and measurements. We could choose the way we spell words in two different ways, like donuts and view. Or, Jeff with a J or Jeff with a G. We can choose animals that have different names, alive and dead, like beef becomes a hamburger, or a buffalo wing is actually from chicken, and nobody really knows what a hot dog is made of. Yes, these are the great foundations that our forefathers built for us. As Americans, we're resilient. We're a resilient bunch, and we didn't back away at the Battle of Trenton. We didn't succumb when the Germans bombed Pearl Harbor. We didn't back down from Twitter when it became X. No, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. We celebrate today in the infamous words of a great American, Norm Abrams. Before we begin, let's take a moment to talk about the most important thing, and that is shop safety. We embody that here at Clearview Cyclones, so we hope that you consider your lungs when you're in the shop working. And as one of the great liberties of Americans, we invoke on the 250th year anniversary, I dream of this day that a proud nation might take to social media, the great Americans that we're speaking to right now, and express their love for all things considered dust collection. Go to the link below. What we're doing is we're giving away a great new model. It's a one of a kind. It is the CV 1776. You too can own this great commemorative 250 year Cyclone. Register online to win it. Go to the website, give us some details about it, and so let's celebrate the 250th year anniversary of our great nation. I appreciate it. Bring it on in, team. From Clearview to you. Get this Cyclone. Woo!